Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, PCG Research. On Friday, the US market again closed at the lowest point of the day. However, the data related to the economy was little bit on the softer side, but the 10-year bond yield was around 4.05, which clearly indicates that the rate hike is imminent in the current Fed policy. The dollar index, however, declined from the levels of 103 to 102.25, which is slightly positive for our markets. Gift Nifty is trading nearly 50 points higher as compared to its previous close, and Asian markets are trading with mixed gains. For the day, the strategy should be to look for adding long position if there is any quick intraday correction to the levels of 19,250 or 19,200 levels, but with a strict stop loss at 19,150. On the higher side, if we see any move towards 19,400, 450, then there we should look for reducing long positions, or we should look for creating short positions with a stop loss at 19,530. Now, till the markets are not crossing 19,530, we are going to see range bound activity between 19,550, 530 on the higher side, and maybe on the downside 19,050 or 19,100. For the bank Nifty, there also we saw good amount of profit taking pressure. It closed below the mark of 45,000, which is negative in the short term. However, the next level to watch out for would be 44,700 and 500, where the market has spent maximum time in the past. So, if there is a medium term view, then we should be buyer between 44,700 to 44,500 levels, and on the higher side 45,000 will now act as resistance, and in the best case scenario 45,200 250 would be the next resistance zone for the bank Nifty. PSU banks are doing well, and private banks are correcting from their highs. So in case if we see both are correcting from their highs in the near term, then again at important supports we should be buyer in the bank stocks. Finally, for the Nifty IT Index, there we are seeing a lot of struggle to cross the level of 30,000, which will keep the broader indices between larger stocks between the range. And for the Nifty IT, the range should be 30,000 and 29,000. The advice is to buy at vital supports close to 29,000 levels. Apart from these indices, we saw some activity in commodities, automobiles, but in the current week, the now action will move on those sectors or stocks where we are going to see some quarterly numbers. So in the current week, again, we will focus more on the IT companies, as most of them are going to announce their numbers. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you.